Welcome to another episode of a series of random events. Today we'll be playing baseball with the neighborhood kids. Let's watch, shall we? There's been a lot of arguing going on lately.
Mr. One out. Go one out.
Come on. Steven.
Got it. Ghost player on second,
Third.
Haley, you gotta be playing.
She's not playing, she's recording, and it's for an episode of a series of random events. Now get back on the mound and quit interrupting the show.
This is a very sad thing, and it really hurt. You know, look at me.
Steven!
That kid hit me with a soccer ball 3 times. Run right here, one right here, and run right in the face. It's very sad, isn't it?
Steven, we need you to pitch.
See ya, suckers!
Don't mind him.
I'm
Hurry up! If you're lucky, you might make it to the internet, so you just displayed that to millions and millions of people.
Who cares? I'm gonna be a superstar!
Or laughed at and ridiculed, which is probably what everybody that's going to be in this is going to be laughed at.
Who cares?
Just pitch the ball.
What is that?
Lots of violence in this world, isn't it? Kind of scary. Chase, let me hit. Oh, did I mention my mortal enemy is playing? This ought to be fun. And a strike.
Chase should throw the bat at you. Chase should throw the bat at you.
Time out!
You know, I'm still happy if people see that, because I don't really care to be embarrassed. Unless it's at school, because everybody's
Back to your game, come on.
You shut up, you son of a bitch!
We don't want little kids touching on the internet. Come on.
You missed.
Hey,
Huh?
oh, camera. It's the camera. You have to capture the whole of you. Just pitch the ball. Strikes don't exist. There you go. We're supposed to drop the bat. You are supposed to drop the bat. Drop the bat. No, I'm not. Hey, we're sliding.
Foster. Foster.
I'm Bill. Remember that?
Give me the bat here! And shut up here! Give me the bat, please!
There you hit me. I'm not going to give you the bat.
Give it! I said give me the bat!
Here, where's the here?
I'm gonna get the name.
Cut.